Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to watch Sky Sports in India. So as you know, Sky Sports is only available in the UK and Ireland. So for example, when I type Sky Sports, then I go to their official website, and then I click on video to watch something. Let's say this one, for example. As you can see, it says that it's an unsupported location. This issue appears to all the users that are outside the UK and Ireland, but fortunately, there is a fix to that problem. So, what you need to do is to use a VPN, which tricks Sky Sports that you are in the country that you can select. In this case, you should select the UK. In the description, I will leave a link to NordVPN. So, when you open NordVPN, which is the king of VPNs worldwide, and it's the best choice for accessing Sky Sports, Sky Go, and streaming sports. It has the fastest speeds available and comes with a smart plate feature that lets you securely access blocked content from anywhere in the world. If you are unsure how to watch Sky Sports in India, follow my steps. As you can see, you search for the United Kingdom and you select it. And as you can see, it says that I'm connected. Once done, you should return to your Sky Sports page and then refresh it. And then, as you can see, I can play the video with no problems. And that's because I am using the UK server to trick the Sky Sports website that I'm in the UK. Keep in mind that this works also in your Android, iOS, tablet, Mac, and even in your Android TV if you are using Sky Sports there. What you should do is just download the NordVPN app and use it there. So to get NordVPN, I will leave a link in the description and in the first comment so you can have 59% off NordVPN, which is again the best VPN provider, and also you get 3 extra months for free. And you can also get your money back since they have a 30 days money back guarantee. So if you don't like it, you can always refund your money with no problems. So make sure to give it a chance by clicking on the link in my description and in the pinned comment. And thank you guys for watching. Hope that this helps you. If you want to see more tutorials, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.